Hello everyone and welcome to the third episode of Bukkit Coding. And today we are going to get started with multiple arguments. And in this episode we will be learning how to enable fly and disable it. So let's go ahead and get started here. So make sure, first and foremost, make sure you have all of this done. You have your craft bucket imported and your package enabled and your fly.java enabled. So make sure you have all of this done for now. So let's go ahead and start with public boolean on command sender command cmd, then we'll just go string, and then we'll just write command label, and then string, and just go that, then args. Okay, so we just got that done for our good start. Just go ahead and import command and string to our Java.fly. Okay, so we've got that. Don't worry about the mistake. Command save, see if it's incorrect. So it'll show up as incorrect as it is in there. And all you have to do now is player p equals player sender. Okay, that's good for now. Go ahead and import player. Okay, now we'll just do if cmd.getName, then we'll just go dot equals, ignore case, and let's just write fly. And then we'll just go up and write enter. Then we'll just go if sender dot send, no, dot has permission, and then we'll just write as the permission flight dot fly, and we'll just go ahead and write that in, and then we'll just go sender dot send message, and let's make the message chat color dot red, and let's go plus you do not have permission to perform this command, exclamation mark. And let's go ahead and return that true. Okie dokie, we've done that for a start. So this is saying that if you do not have permission, in other words, if you are not op, you do not have permission to perform this command, which we will be doing in this episode. So now we just go if args.length, and then go equals 0. Then go ahead and make sure it's like that. Then we'll just go sender.send message, and let's go ahead chat color dot gold, and then we'll go ahead and write plus usage, and then we'll go ahead and write plus chat color dot green, and then we'll just go plus, then we'll just do slash fly on and then off. So this is basically saying performing what command we have to do. So it's just saying which one we could choose. We could choose slash fly on or slash fly off. For example, go like slash fly on, or we could do slash fly off. But I'll get into that later. Okay, okie dokie. Now let's go ahead and return true. So we go, and let's go ahead and delete that line because it is not a need. Then all we have to do else dot if, actually no, if, and then we'll just write args dot length and equals 0. Let's make sure we have that closed, and then we'll just actually let's make it 1. Maybe that will work even better. Okay, then all you have to do is if args 0 dot equals ignore case, and let's make this on. Okay, now we'll just go if sender dot has permission, and we'll just go and then we'll just write flight.fly.on, and then we'll just go ahead and press enter on that. Then we'll just write send message, and then chat color.dark red, and let's make it plus you do not have permission to perform this command, exclamation mark. Let's just go ahead and delete that. Then we'll just write return true. Okay, so we've just got quite a few of it done. Then we'll just go p dot set let's go allow flight, and then let's go true. Then we'll just go p dot send message, and let's just go chat color dot aqua sorry for the background, guys, just ignore it. Then we'll just go flight has been, then we'll go ahead space plus chat color dot gold, and let's go plus turned on, exclamation mark. Make sure that is a lowercase so it is able to read it easily. Okay, we have done a really good job so far. Now let's go ahead and scroll down on that. Then we'll just write else, then go if args, then just go that and 0. Let's go dot equals, ignore case, and then we'll go off, and then we'll go ahead and press send on that. And then all we have to do now is sender dot has permission, and then we'll just go flight.fly.off, because that shows us that it's going to be turned off. Then we'll just go ahead and do that, and let's just change that up right now. I don't know, yeah, let's just try that. Then we'll just go if exclamation mark sender dot turned off, then we'll just do sender dot send message, and let's make it chat color dot red plus you do not have permission to perform this command, exclamation mark. Okay, so let's just go ahead and return true and press enter on that. Okay, let's go ahead and delete that line which we do not need. Fight or fly off. Maybe let's just go ahead and make another bracket out so that works. Okay, now what we have to do is p dot set allow flight, and let's go false, and then we'll just do p dot send message dot, then let's go chat color dot aqua, and let's go plus flight has been, and let's go plus chat color dot gold as always. Then we'll go plus turned off, exclamation mark. Okay, I am not too sure why this is not working, but anyways, I think I do know now. Just make sure that is a plus, and then we'll just go ahead and make it return true. Okay, and then go ahead and do that again, return true. Okay, so we've basically just done our whole entire fly plugin. Now if we command save, there will be no X along that. So now let's go ahead, go new file, let's go plugin.yml, enter, key on that, and then I'll just go open with text editor, because that is what I like the most. And let's go full plugin.yml, let's go name flight, let's go fly, then let's go version 1.0, then main me.isosins.fly. So basically what this is saying is that for the main, it's me.isosins.fly, then you have to do the core of the flight, which is called fly. Okay, now we could just do author. Then as we know which the author is, it is isosins. And then we could do description. Then a simple way to fly. Okay, now let's go ahead and write down the commands. Now let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, fly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go usage, slash command, and let's go ahead and close that. Or we could do args, and then we'll be able to do aliases. This is just to prove that the flight is on or off, and different commands which you could use. So you could do /fly or f. You could do flight. You can do flying too if you want. Okay, now I'll just go description, and it will be called main. Okay. Oh, I think that is good for now. Then just go back to here and write permissions. And for permissions, go ahead and go 4 spaces up. Then we could do flight.fly. Then we'll go ahead and do that. Then we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, description, permission, and then let's go for main, because that is what we want permission for. Then we could do default and make it as only ops can perform this command. So we could go ahead and do command copy for that, and command V, and do that one more time. Command V, make sure that is one back, so it's all in line. And this one we are okay with permission for enabling fly, and let's go for disabling fly. Okay, and make sure that you are up on it. So we've just done our fly plugin. If you guys did not get all of this down, you could go ahead and go to the description down below and go to the interface. So all we have to do now is export this, then enter, and let's do fly.jar. Okay, yes, it already exists. Let's go ahead and hide that. Open our buckets, and then we could go to our plugins, and fly is right there. So let's go ahead and open the server, and whilst the server is opening, I'm going to go ahead and open Minecraft. Okay, isosins ready to play 1.8. Okay, so let's see if it's working. Fly, loading fly 1.0. Then we could see fly is enabled and enabling fly. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our local host server. Go full screen, and always you have to make sure that you're op. So we could go ahead and op isosins, and it is, you have to be op to perform this command. So all we have to do is /fly, and it says usage fly on or off. So if we do /fly on, flight has been turned on, or if we do /fly off, flight has been turned off, and it actually performs the flight. See? So let's go fly on and off. See, I can't double tap anymore. On, I like it on. Or we could perform /f. We could do /flight and flying. But you can only perform this command if you are op. So we could go ahead and de-op isosins. De-op isosins. Let's make sure to spell that right. And if you try to perform the command, the /fly command, it will say you do not have permission to perform this command. So that does work. But if we do op isosins, we could go ahead and perform the command again. /fly. See, it works. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and leave a like down below. And don't forget to leave suggestions for what to do in my next plugins. And I do think that someone has asked for me to show you guys how to make a modded server, which I will be doing tomorrow. So as always, guys, enjoy and stay golden.